My father bought some classic vehicles years ago, so I would like to show you some of them from my personal collection. And also there will be a mystery car, so if you can guess what it is, please feel free to comment below and I'll reveal it to you at the end of the series. So please sit back, enjoy, and don't forget to like, comment, share, plus also remember to subscribe as well. Thanks guys, I hope you enjoy. Owning a classic car these days is something to be proud of and to remember how the historic vehicles used to be. If you need to repair a panel on your car's bodywork, it can prove to be an easy fix if you have the right equipment available and if you have some basic skills in welding. You start by prepping the areas and then cut out the selected rusted or damaged part. It's very important to make templates of the piece from some card or cardboard to get the right shape of the metal to the right size before welding. After the new piece has been welded into place, you can proceed to grind down the excess metal and finish off before paint. Some specific panels of metal might need shaping with certain curves or recesses, so it's best to ask the specialist metalworker if you can get some help. You can see that after the first shape is made, the second radius will be formed using the same method. Using an English wheel, you can bend flat pieces of metal to a curve, so if you're working on wings for a classic car, you can replace the metalwork very easily this way. Before any paint is applied to a car, it's always best to spend a big deal of time on the preparation of your car's bodywork, as the more errors that you find, you will exceed the expectations of the final result. As the car has been sprayed in a different colour, it is now in the curing phase to harden the paint before wet sanding and finishing. If you have a classic car project or wanted to get some help finishing off your project, there are many different services and products that you can look into to help you finish. Some products might be a little bit pricey, but that's where you can see if there are any local services near you. There are some other great places that have very good prices on certain products that you just can't resist, but be very careful because this can add to your budget. Sometimes if you have a decent set of tools, you can try practicing on spare bits of metal so you can get the hang of it before working on your car. I have noticed that a great deal of companies will produce a new body skin of an original classic car, so if you feel like you don't want to work with any rusted or damaged parts, it might be a great deal cheaper for you. There are many classic cars out there and you can be one of the many lucky ones to own one, so have a think about it and see what your creative side will bring out.